don't hear me now.
Helen's death was about 6 hours before she was. Based on evidence at the scene, it looks like the body was moved to the pool. She's got a whole clean pool for her. You can pity likes the sort of. I'll just say like his DNA under her skin. Jighead, all due respect. Relationship with him. But you always tell me you have to trust the evidence. Evidence wants to cover it. What I have here is truth. Definitely. There's still time to save him, okay? We all heard what the court said. They have plans for him.
Oh, fuck about getting carried, nigga.
In the face with a boot. Imagine real war.
I don't give a fuck.
Good fuck you mean?
Oh my mom, nigga, I get on this hoe and say get carried, nigga.
Getting carried every day.
Up and stand by. All stations, we are green to go. Stand by for deployment.
You on my mind, I still stand. Go, bro. I ain't playing, bro. Focus time.
Number still alive, man. Don't get sparked.
You never die. Tito in the building. Tito is in the building, y'all.
Eliminate targets to bring them back faster.
Bro, it sounds like you're saying keto, bro.
Keto?
Enrique. Enrique,
man,
my
you know
check,
about keto, bro.
God. I'm gonna call you that from now on.
Enrique looks it up. I love you. Call me in my game. Enrique.
Just mate, back on station. Good work.
Alright, we're live, yo. That's me.
Enrique, copy, Enrique.
Man, nada lang ako. Yun dyan.
My check, Enrique. No habla English, ni habla español, poquito, güey. No habla.
Oh, you tough. Look at him. He's,
Marking the rest of
what?
that squad on your
Yo, I
tag.
cross over him, bro. You don't know what to do, bro. Chit. I ain't playing, bro.
Enemy UAV overhead. You're down one squad, mate. We'll get you redeployed faster.
May tinigam din, baby. Jed, you don't know what he's doing, Jed. You don't know. Hey, calm. If you wanna die, keep following me, bro.
Taking fire. One supply box down. 2 remain. Enemy soldier incoming.
Hello there. Hello, motherfucker.
Down. Marking the rest of them.
I don't know why you come to me. I am a killer. Don't come straight at me, bro. I will miss you.
Move to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
Oh, shit.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Hey, why you run, bro? You can't steal on that car, motherfucker.
Molotov.
Yes! That third toy.
There's 2 of them, man.
Redeployed. Well done. Resurgence. Go get your revenge.
Lumpy son of a gun.
Contract
I got your girlfriend.
You lost the supply cache location.
Damn.
Friendly loadout.
Big ass nigga.
Less than 25 were still standing. Valiant effort. Keep your head
Your
up.
mama said
Return
go
to
over
base
there.
and
Your
debrief.
mama said go over there. Fuck boy.
Damn. Woo! Ah. Come on, tell me about I don't give. I'm on your ladding. I'm a party leader. We're gonna leave. What's up, Chad? What's up, Chad? We just started.
What's up, chat? What up, chat?
Inte så är ni bara. Wasabi lever någon. Nej. Okej. Om unskippy, se han där så unskippy. Alright, whatever. I think I saw you, bro. KC. Really do. Really do, bro. Malami siya. Kasi nga mo ang ganda ligosik siya. Hey, it's the real deal. Olieville, cool. Oh, boy. Ano dapat labot? Hey, what the hell happened, bro? Give us a match. Connecting dyan on lagi wala. This stupid ass game, man. Against that love that. Come. Hey, get down. Hey, Dicker, komm dir dann lang beschickt. Check. Dicker.
Check.
Ik tel op gaan in op een koud. Ik kan jaya ul mode. Wala niya. No lagi. Hết rồi. Oh, hai tay là rồi. Walaan, letis kam apa? Tadi lagi kia. Enggak kan? Enggak, ya pel nak ada sana, ilah. Cek. Let's go.
Man, what was that for, man?
Get that shit virus away from me, bro. Cyrus fucked me up.
Wala doon ba yung menu? Sino yung slogan na can order the phone?
Yeah, why would I?
Give me 1 second.
Wala doon ba yung menu na kan online? Can order the phone? Like,
Bring back my loadout, bro. Loadout, you go back. Guess we do that shit.
Alright, I just sent it to you in a message.
Fuck up.
That's both my girls.
No Christmas. Era Christmas. The Santa Claus. The Santa.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Tournament ain't bet you.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone.
Play.
Your squad mates have a resurgence timer reduced.
Just do that. Just keep to do that. And Mikey, you know
Resurgence. Survive to redeploy fallen teammates. Kill
one
to bring them
game.
back fast.
Oye, no la
Got enemy spy drones tracking us. Let's blind them.
I'm long for the case, dude.
High value contracts are in play.
Yeah, I hear you.
More rewards.
Lá é.
Laser
Vai
vision
que molona
time.
aqui.
Supply box UAV is inbound. Alright, all done for. Contract complete. Good work. Tackle.
Oh, yeah.
Launch a UAV.
Hold on.
Ela guard sa gusto. Oye, kami lailon. There's one niya.
Enemies are dropping into the area.
Oh, yeah.
Enemy UAV is online. Marked remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
There's Ola.
Mama.
Check na ka there's Ola.
Nice, I see you. Unbelievable.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Okay.
Enemy soldier incoming. Get your squad to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Yes. Just saying what talks.
But permission ako ng queen. Like sana narinig siya ako ng queen. That's a lie.
Yo, bro, go on, bro, chill.
Okay, if you go to barracks and you go to stats, you press leaderboards, you go down, you go resurgent, look at the career. Oshka number 7, FSMK 370, number 11, Tito number 13.
Man, that's fun drawing, bro. That's fun drawing.
This score of man.
Last
and
week,
then look
bro.
at the
watch. I came back last week. I'm gonna beat you in only 1 month. That's 11, right? That's 11. I'm coming up. You better watch out. We're talking about Warzone. And I don't even like Warzone. Multiplayer is my shit.
Hey, Warzone is the shit, bro.
Que tengo chavo en la cola.
That's your IQ and your skills.
I'm gonna beat you in 1 month.
You meet your up no way?
No say, way, no say.
Yeah, up right here.
Stand right there, bitch. Right before you.
All stations, this is Shadow 01. Deployment to the Warzone has been authorized. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Isang may dago siya sa extra body, yeah, with Jeremy Tende, Kevin Gato. Until you give play again, develop into show. There is a play one of us not got no funny guy.
Stay alive. What is fine.
The guy ain't gonna do me play shit. Hey, look at him, look, he's getting chased.
What, Tito? You can't hit him. Ah, you motherfucker.
Supply box UAV heading your way.
Thank you.
Bro.
Thank you for killing. Hey, you got one right here. What's on, bro? I just failed. Get ready, they're here. Hey, Susan.
Marking the rest of them.
I was thinking about that, boy. Sure, you try. Reset.
Mas, and this down. Sorry. You get fucked with them, die.
Squad mate has been deployed. Well done. Back on station. Go get on. Enemy soldier incoming. Weaver requesting UAV tasking.
Hey, I'm sure my
Hey, need help. Come on. They're all here. Nice.
We're returning you to the front. Earn this.
Bitch, I got your girlfriend. Hey, hands up on you, Tito. Jump in the water.
Your squad mate's back on station. Good work.
William, dalan go. When you're around like Alaska, like Coast Guard.
Your squad made it to the safe zone. Close it in. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the sky.
Here, walking.
Mark remaining operators in that squad. Hunt them down.
Wow.
You're the last one standing, soldier.
He's inside. Coming for you.
Yeah.
The enemy took that one, but we'll get it back.
Come on, guys. We gotta stick together. Man.
Enemy advantage.
Love trying to share. I'm like extra weak. You know, I'm trying to share number. This is not a 3
Yep.
You know why it's gonna make it slow, that's why.
Say fuck the extra man. Ballad squad eliminate I'm not quick. One after another. If that 3-0 at the end, then leave us alone.
É também gostei de Okay. 2 LMG and AR. Fucking, are you crazy? That's the gun I'm gonna have. Oh my goodness.
The corner who locked down. You guys know where to land like good boys.
There's a lot of little kids playing this game. How the hell you guys pass it? Oh my god. Call of Duty, you gotta stop.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
It's no, I thought you said never mind.
All stations, green light. We're deploying to the war zone. Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Enemy soldier incoming.
you, bitch. Big deal.
Destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Hey, there's a slut on the roof.
Robot UAV is on the way.
There's a more. Hey, look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh, another faggot, bro. Flies everywhere. Careful.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
There's dead bugs everywhere, bro. Itchy as fuck.
I'm under fire.
Fucking punk bitch.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. They got me.
You said it.
Finally killed.
Fucking hungry socks. Come here. Hungry fucking faggot.
Hunt them
Fucking
down.
hell. Eat shit.
You're getting another chance. Weapons free.
Fucking hungry socks. Like that? Eh? Kapote musleche, man.
Squad is outside the place.
Sometimes they're born in the hood, stay in the hood.
Hell yeah. What's up, Chad? I'm sorry. I almost got that. You see, I almost swiped them. But I got snagged on that.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Let's buy a loadout, please.
Come here, my neck. You know.
What's the best gun in the game right now, yo? Right there.
Weapon over
Where
here.
are we gonna drop it at? Right there.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Give me that. Disregard. Claiming that.
Put it down.
Abi gel son metteki ya. Son metteki login ya güzel.
Put it in, Jamie.
Copy.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Eyes on enemy. Forget it. Enemy spotted.
Yes, fuck. Katanga din na.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Magazine, dude. Man, that's a fucking dirty clip.
25 are still active in the AO.
Affirmative. Enemy spotted.
Dude, get in the roof.
Bro, in the house next to us. In the house next to us.
Yes, bottom. Going up right now. Vaya acá. Whoa, bro. It's on the room. Oh shit, coming up. Still alive, bro. There's a lot of people.
Stand by for redeployment. Enemy soldier incoming. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
I'm gonna kill me, bro. I can hear you loud and clear.
Enemy UAV is online.
Okay.
Fire sale is active. Buy station prices are adjusted. There's an increased payout for this job. Be sure to collect. Your squad mate is redeploying. Well done. Resurgence is about to end. Make it count.
Fucking armor, not even armor. No!
But they're over there, Albert.
Don't take it off. Yeah, son. Go take it off so she don't throw the wall.
Time for vengeance. You're redeploying. Head to the safe zone. Gas is moving. Supply box is marked.
Oh, damn.
Locations. Enemy airstrike in the area. Fire sales over. Adjusting prices. Contract failed. You lost the objective.
Alright.
Watch out, there's one in the house. He's over here in the back. He's inside.
Gang, it's on the other side.
Nice.
Your squad is down. Stay alive to bring them back. Be advised, resurgence is no longer active. This is for keeps. You have reinforcements inbound. Heads up! Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Hostile UAV in the area. Looks like I don't play well after all. Your squad mate's back on station. Good work. You're losing ground. Moving. Enemy precision airstrike. Find cover. Locate and eliminate the target. Gas is inbound. Only 10 left. 5 squads still operational.
Fine, go. Go in mode again.
You've got time for another bounty. Get it done.
Hey, God. It's okay. Don't worry about it. That is come on. Look at fresh people. Gotcha. I know what you like. Hmm? Yo, what you guys playing? Pui Pui. No, give mommy. Wait, you make. Okay, go make it, son. Give mommy make it. Hey, come. Why you put mommy? Yo, dumb. Hello.
What's up?
Duos, bro.
Man. Alright. He wants to play just me and him. Duos, but we'll see. But what?
But please, save me, okay? Don't just look at me dying, okay?
My daughter's gonna watch this, bro, so don't be out here acting crazy.
My bad. Chato.
All that we gotta do is stay together, bro. If you take it off, let me know. Say I'm going this way.
Bro.
Nah. He said it's more than one. He said I know it's duos. Oh, she's not getting up there.
Expect young boys to act that way. They not at that age to act that
from behind.
Cause I hear it go up.
Resurgence. Stay alive to keep the squad in the fight.
Stronghold.
Oh, we got some people over here with us. We got 2 teams here with us. We got 2 teams here with us.
Yeah, I know.
I'm getting on the chopper.
Enemy counter UAV inbound. Hostile UAV in the area.
We got over here.
Heck?
Shit.
What the heck? Bro. That shit a sniping.
I'm trying to smoke real quick. That's why I'm.
You good. Do it.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. turret active. You're the last one to
Mate.
survive until you spawn. Hostiles have established the SAM turret.
Yes, one lad.
Shake it off and keep pushing.
Woo.
No, yeah. I'm trying to
Do it
smoke.
again. Do it again.
I wasn't even really playing. I wasn't even playing. The controller was sitting on the couch.
Yeah, right. Let me see the comments. Let me see the comments. Nothing to say on the comments. To say, bro, I'm back. Oh, all right. Hey, back it up. Yo, can you back it up? Can you back it up, Tom? Back. Back it up, Tom. Back it up, Tom.
Do
Go
what?
to the home screen. Somebody wanna join.
What'd you say?
Somebody wanna join. Back up again. I'm still in the loading screen.
You good?
Where are you? You're in the lobby?
Yeah.
I'm still in the loading screen. You gotta back up again. Back out to the main, to the home screen. To the very first one.
Are you here yet?
Nope.
You still on the loading screen?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm stuck in this shit, bro. This game is stupid, bro.